All right, so for most of this chapter, we're going to take a look at addition reactions, right? So we already know how to make alkenes. Through our elimination reactions, right? Our E2, our E1, our dehydration reactions, those kinds of things. So how do we do the reverse, right? We've got an alkene, and then we want to add stuff to it. I'm just going to call this stuff A and B, right? You can see in this reaction we've added. And so it's called an addition reaction. So we can add a whole bunch of things. We can add HX, where X is a halogen. We could add a hydrogen and an OH on one side. We could add hydrogens to both sides. We could add halogens to both sides. We can add an alcohol and a halogen to one side, or we can add alcohols to both sides. So we can add a whole bunch of different stuff, and we'll take a look at each one of these reactions, their mechanism, their stereochemistry, regiochemistry, all that kind of stuff in detail. Just as a reminder, remember that alkenes themselves are basic and nucleophilic. So they're generally going to pick up protons, and they're generally going to pick up electrophiles, right? So for example, if you have an alkene and you put it under acidic conditions, that alkene is going to act as a base and pick up this proton, which will then leave a carbocation on one side. Or if you just give it a good electrophile, it'll also attack that, again leaving a carbocation on one of our carbons. So you'll see these kinds of mechanisms very commonly here.